Welcome everybody. In this presentation, we will be talking about the different product backlogs that we are tracking in our Agile solution. Now, Kovair has the functionality to define different entity types under a particular entity. Using this feature, we have created four major types under the product backlog. At the top, you have an epic, which is a very high level customer specification that normally is received from the uh, customers at a very high level. Underneath an epic, you are having the features, and further features are decomposed into a number of user stories. Also, there is the fourth type, that's the issue, which are submitted by the testers when they are working on their test cases. So let me start by creating an epic. So let me go into the list of the product backlogs and let me go ahead and create a new backlog. Now, as you can see in Kovair, corresponding to each of the different types, you can create different forms with respect to each of the type. The facility for having a form associated with a particular type is that you can put in relevant fields corresponding to that particular type. For example, there could be certain specific fields that it's related only to an epic or to a feature or to a user story that can be placed in the epic or the feature or the user story form, and users will find it comfortable in working in each of the epics and do not view any other irrelevant information when they are working on a particular type. So let me go ahead and select the epic form and create a new epic. Let's say the epic is creation of an external tool adapter. Let's put in some description. Kovair has an embed rich text description that allows you to track rich text images inside a description field. And let me allow to save this epic. So let me go into select this filter as all epics, and here you can find that the epic is available under the product backlog list. By selecting the filters all epics, we can view this epic. Now let me open this epic record in the view form, and once you are in the view form, you can find more information in respect to the more sections are available in this form. So here you can find the feature relation section available in the epic form, which would allow me to associate a feature under this epic. So we will create a new feature from here and would link it to the parent epic. So clicking on this create new button opens up the feature form, and let me go ahead and create a new feature. So let's say the feature is entity management. Similarly, we would enter some description for this feature and would save this. And now once this feature is being created and saved, you can find that the feature is linked to the epic. at the top. Now, clicking on this feature record, let us go inside to create a new user story under this feature. So similar to the Epic form, wherefrom we created new feature by using the relation section, here also there is a user story section which allows me to create a new user story and associate it with the above feature. So let me go ahead and create a new user story from here. So selecting the appropriate form would open up the user story add form under this feature. Here is the title, let's say uh, allow to select the entities from a drop down. Uh, you can also associate it to a particular sprint. If not, you can select this and also enter a description. So this saves the user story under the feature. Now if we look into the traceability view, you would find the hierarchy corresponding to this epic has been created. So let me select filter as all epics. Here you can find that the creation of an external tool adapter is the epic. Drilling down, we can find the features underneath. Here is the feature of the which is created as entity management, and under the feature you will find a user story. So you can create the different types of backlogs using the different form types. So apart from these three, if you want to create a new issue, you can also create it using the specific form that has been designed for the issue type. So from here you can select the particular type as issue. That lets the issue form to open up, and you can talk about um, no values available under the entity drop down list, and you can associate it to a sprint. The sprints are available. The responsible is Storm Master. You can also select a description. At the same time, you can also associate an image, an error screenshot image, screenshot for the error to be embedded in the description field. So from here, let's say you can associate an image, and you can insert this image in the description field. So as you save it, this image becomes a part of this description and gets saved with the issue. So if I select, go back to my list, let's select this issue by selecting the last 5 records. And if we open up the issue in the view mode, you will find that the screenshot has been embedded as a part of the description. So this ends our session of how you can create different types of product backlogs under the Agile solution using in Kovair application. Thank you.